This might be the reason why they are still holding Nnamdi Kanu. Odumeje have finally destroyed Pastor Adebayo completely. This man, Odumeje, is indeed a real Biafra blood. By the end of this video, we are going to see what Odumeje just exposed about Pastor Adebayo and the Nigerian government. And this man triggered the reason why they are still holding Nnamdi Kanu. And also, in this video, you are going to see what Sowere is doing to the Nigerian president. This is the most shocking video that will come across this very moment. Watch the video and see the reason why he is trending all over the internet. Please watch and see things for your eyes. Don't go anywhere.
No, you are right. And all of us must wake up. I don't want to talk to Adeboye. I don't want to talk to that man. You don't know what they call pastor. Go to the Bible. A pastorly book, a bad government. I'm a disappointment. My age is like a failure. On money soon keta. We can need it. Odumeje did that 1 year to know the right. Look at how many years in there. Government belongs to all of us in Nigeria. People are managing our resources and lavishing our resources, and we are praising them in our resources that we send them to manage for us. Governors and senators and presidents or any politicians, you can call them. They are there for your representative. They are not there for you to serve them. They are there to serve every citizen of Nigeria. And they owe you accountability for a job you have sent them to go and serve you as a governor, as a senator, as a president. We don't know our right in this country. That is why you saw people, they will do ordinary main load that many countries have already forgotten that they have do road for their country, and we are celebrating them. The road you do is not your money as a governor, it's not your money as a senator, it's not your money as a president, it's not your money, it's the money of all of us, the citizens of Nigeria. No, you are right, and all of us must wake up. That's why people are claiming what they are not. I have always said this. For us not forgetted that there have never been anything that government has done for this country. There is no development. There is no anything that is happening. I have said it all the time. To every Nigerian, we can never keep quiet. These are people that don't know what is called development of a country. The only thing they know is how to embezzle money, share money. We are no more a boy, we are now fathers. I have always tell you this. Ojukwu is 31 years to know that these people call government of Nigeria is a deceived for the people of Igbo land. And this young man started in age of 31 years to fight for the right of many, everybody, a nation of Igbo land. What an intelligent man. I'm always appreciate this man, Ojukwu, the hero of our time. This is my forefather. What relate to that battle? Even there is a time when every Igbo people look at him. Why do you lead us to? He left Nigeria. All that makes Ojukwu to fight, to go for war. All of us are seeing it today. Anybody that is as a governor, senator, president, celebrating this government of Nigeria is people that are benefiting those governors and senators and presidents. They are the ones struggling for their party to win so that they will enrich themselves and their family. Their children are in overseas going for international school. But the citizens of Nigeria that own the resources, there is no good school for them. Their children are in, I don't know what I will call this, their children, hippopotamus. And the same people. That's why, because this government is light, that's why everything are turning upside down. I don't want to talk to Adeboye. I don't want to talk to that man. You don't know what they call pastor. Go to the Bible. A pastorly book, a bad government. You don't look to benefit from it. We are fathers in the Lord. That God make my voice to be in the world. It's not because of you. It is for me to tell people the truth, what is happening. Not for you. You don't know me anywhere. Anytime you want to fight for the truth, or you know the evil government of Nigeria, they will pursue you. That is the problem of Ojukwu. And that is the problem of Nnamdi Kanu. If they know that what these people are saying, why are they rejecting them? Why there's so much battle in the northern side is because there's a lot of resources, mining, gold, that you yourself did not even know. That is why they are chasing many villages away. Those villages they are chasing away are villages that have resources. You know, Nigeria don't know what is going on. So the people that are doing business with this mining are now fighting fake country with fake leaders. Ojukwu de 31 years. How many years in the Keta? Ojukwu de 31 years to know the right. Look at how many years in there. It's what I mean, disappointment. My age is like a failure. Hey, on Monday soon Keta. I pray for you. May God answer you in the name of Jesus.
President Tinubu
is a thief. Yes,
a thief.
It's a lie. Get out.
Mr. President, you be thief?
God forbid, no.
Lies. Tinubu
is a thief.
Sowere, stop calling Tinubu a thief now.
No, it is not a crime to call a thief a thief. It is not a crime to call a thief a thief. You say?
There's no crime in calling a thief a thief.
But me, I trust Tinubu. He is not a thief.
How can you trust Tinubu?
Because he's not a thief. I trust him.
No, don't trust Tinubu.
For God's sake.
Why?
Because he's indeed a criminal.
Haba, Sowere, at least trust Tinubu for once now.
Never. I don't trust Tinubu with meat in my pot.
The one thing you say, if you leave meat inside pot, come out for the house, Tinubu go thief am.
Yes. Honestly. Tinubu is indeed a criminal.
Sowere, now this same thing where you been talk, where make Tinubu been send you go Kuje prison. I mean, you won't go back prison again.
Yes. Please, let me go. If he has the capacity to send me to Kuje prison, I'm available anytime. Prison is nothing to me.
Really?
Yes. Serious. Going to prison, this is what I do for a living.
Jesus.
You go to prison for a living care?
Yes. I don't blame you.
Mr. President, you say, why is Sowere always fighting you now?
It's envy.
You mean Sowere is enviously jealous of you?
Categorical yes.
Sowere, are you truly jealous of President Tinubu?
Yes. You know, I have to be jealous of him.
Why are you jealous of him?
Because he's a very hardened criminal. These guys are thieves.
What of Yaya Bello?
Yaya Bello is a thief.
It is not.
Is he now facing trial for stealing 80 billion?
What of Wike?
Who are here down? Wike is a thief.
In a small Igbo.
A foolish man.
You can slap him.
Wike, true you be thief?
Never.
What of Fabio?
Is a thief.
Jesus Christ.
Reno Omokri?
Breno Mokri
Is a thief.
What of my uncle Daniel Bura?
Is a thief.
Me Inko?
Comedian. You are a thief too.
How dare you call me thief, Sowere? Do you know me?
I don't have to know you. You are a thief too.
If I be thief, now you say you too na thief.
How dare you touch my anointed?
Sowere? So you get anointing?
Yes. Honestly.
Pastor Sowere of the Most High God. So if I bring madman from the psychiatry now, you go heal him, abi?
No, I will run away.
Peter Obi.
Is a thief.
Peter Obi, so you be thief?
God forbid. No.
But who even advised you to jump from Labour Party to ADC and now to NDC?
I got the advice from a madman.
My friend Erufai.
Is a thief.
I have never in my life taken a penny that I'm not entitled to.
Oga swear say you go be thief.
I swear to God.
Senator Ndume.
What happened?
Then you supposed to be here now. Yes now. I mean you never thief public funds before.
No.
Or you swear say you never thief money before.
I swear to God.
This one where you swear say you never thief money before. Are you a pastor or imam?
But these guys are thieves.
Which guys?
Governors are thieves.
Or you mention the names of the governors where the thief make her here.
Are you that here? The guy from my state, the dancer from my state.
Is a thief.
The guy from Gombe.
Is a thief.
That professor from Borno.
Is a thief.
Sowere, but there are two decent politicians that I can even swear with my life that they are not thieves.
Clap for them.
But do you know the politicians I'm referring to?
No.
I mean Kwankwaso and Atiku.
All of them are thieves. Kwakwaso
Is a thief.
Atiku
Is a thief.
Atiku, the way this thing take pain you, it be like say if you catch Sowere now, you go bite him for ear, abi?
I swear I will do it.
You go bite Sowere for ear?
I swear.
Atiku is a very, very rugged human being.
What about Sheyi Makinde?
Forget about Makinde.
Is a thief.
The oga patapata of them all, as in the number one of all the thieves now who?
Kefas.
Who's Kefas?
That joker from Taraba.
You mean my governor Abu Kefas?
Yes. Is a thief.
How dare you call my governor a thief? Don't you know he is a pastor with anointing oil?
That anointing oil has expired. Taraba.
Me yasa ka ce mun shiga uku?
Ba kudi a Taraba.
Kutuma, ya kasin ba kudi a Taraba? Kai dan Taraba ne? Me sunanka?
Sunana Omoyele Sowere.
yanzu kam na yadda gaskiya mun shiga uku.
Magana ya kare. Assalamu alaikum.
What of Governor Okpewolo?
He's a thief.
Sowere, you don't call all the politicians for Nigeria thief. Who can be the saint among them?
Me. Omoyele Sowere is a saint.
He's a liar.
Tinubu, be careful. Be polite. Be careful.
How about Sowere? Why you go tell the whole president to be careful now?
I'm upset.
You sef, when you go stop this your activism and aluta?
Aluta continua.
Victoria Santa.
Aluta continua.
Victoria Santa.
Aluta continua.
Victoria Santa.
You want to scare me off?
Yes.
It's a lie.
What of Bajabi Amila?
He's a thief.
Sowere, why you not mention Tinubu name among the thieves now?
You know that one is their mentor.
What do you mean?
Tinubu is the mentor of all the thieves in Nigeria. Jesus Christ. Tinubu is number one criminal in this country. I'm not afraid to say it.
You want show me say you sabi dance abi? Oya Sowere, challenge am. This one wey you dey clap, you feel the dance abi?
Wallahi talai.
Mr. President, you sef step down for Sowere, let him test the presidential seat too now.
I will not.
But if you win your second term, life will be easy abi?
Life is not going to be easy. I swear to God Almighty.
Atiku, such a man can never be president of Nigeria.
I notice people don't talk much about Atiku.
People are afraid because as I'm talking now, he has the means to take me to court. But like I said, I don't care. You take me to court, let them jail me now. I will die there. What years have I left? Atiku is not fit to rule Nigeria. We serve in the same organization and rose to the same rank in this country. He's not a fit man to. You know why? Atiku knew after he's a Fulani man, after the 8 years of Buhari, and he saw what Nigeria was facing in the hands of Fulani elements, and he still wants to come to become the president of Nigeria in another 8 years. Is that a reasonable man? Especially when it was the turn of the south, and his bulk of support comes from the southeast, and there was Peter Obi coming from the southeast. Atiku won't let him contest as a president. Is that a human being? Now, Tinubu has just done, after Buhari's 8 years, Tinubu is just about to do 1 year, and Atiku want to still take it away from him, and goes back to Fulani. Nigeria will, even Hausas will be stupid to return to vote for anybody Atiku. Of course, in the south here, there are people who are just going after him opportunity just in case. They all knew in their heart of hearts that there's no room for Atiku to be president of Nigeria. Even at his age, should be ashamed of himself that he still want to. What education has Atiku? What has he done in the private sector that qualifies him? What did he do as vice president to qualify him to run for president? Is he not the one in charge of privatization under Obasanjo? That sold multi-billion naira enterprises for chicken change to his cronies? Atiku has ruined Nigeria much more than any leader in recent memory, in all memories. He has nothing to present to Nigeria. Is that not the same Atiku? When an innocent girl was set ablaze alive in Sokoto, he released a tweet. And the moment his thugs, those who murder people on the street, criticized it, he quickly withdrew it and denied ownership. Is that the person who wants to rule Nigeria? He may pick a reverend father from the south. Atiku cannot rule Nigeria because he has nothing. He has no qualification of any kind. He has no achievement of any kind. He has nothing. He has no ideology of any kind other than he is broke. And somebody with how many wives? They said, somebody allegedly said he has so many wives at 25. They are all broke and he wants to rule Nigeria to recuperate, to do worse than he did under Obasanjo. Atiku cannot be president. And he is not a just man. After 8 years of a Fulani man, Atiku wanted to rule for 8 years. Now after 3 years of a Yoruba man, Atiku still wants to rule. And he knows that there is no Southeasterners who has ruled Nigeria. Is that a leader? Any leader who cannot reason, who has no sense of justice, who has no sense of sacrifice, can never be a leader in Nigeria, in anywhere in the world. Atiku can never be president of Nigeria. If he becomes one, that will mark the end of Nigeria as we know it.
How did you rate Odumeje? As Odumeje has stayed firm to say it completely, what do you see? Is he lying? This is a complete 100% truth. And you have seen it. Sowere have started firm against this so-called government called APC and the drug lord Jagaban Tinubu. You can see it here. These are the men that deserve honor. These are the men of integrity. They say the truth without fear of anybody. And you can see how the other man on the other way hand exposed Atiku, how he have been, trying to become the Nigerian president so that they will continue looting. These are the ancestors that have been making life so miserable for a common Nigerians for the sake of their selfish interests, and you are foolishly following them just because your interest is for the falling part of their own table. Biafra is Nigeria disintegration is a certain, and nobody can deny the fact that Nigeria can never work. Nigeria is a failed nation and it will never work. Who am I? I'm only a messenger. If you find this video very helpful, please spread the message. And don't forget to touch and have a subscribe button, like and turn on the notification bell. So that whenever we upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And in doing that, we encourage you not to do more, because togetherness, we shall save life together. Africa remains the best continent in the world. And the Biafra, Africa, rise the more. Till next time, see you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you. Shalom.